Hey friend, yes you. Stop scrolling for just a minute. Today, we're not just learning English, we're living it. Imagine we're sitting together, having coffee, or maybe on a walk, talking about our day. You don't need perfect grammar, you don't need fancy words. Just your voice, your courage, your real English. Let's start slowly. Repeat after me. I can speak English. Good. Again, louder this time. I can speak English. Yes, that's it. Feel the power in your words. Now let me tell you a little story. Yesterday, I tried to speak English with a stranger. I tripped on a word, said it wrong, completely mixed it up. And guess what? They understood me anyway. That's the magic of English. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Here's another mini story. I once practiced English every day for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. And after just 1 month, I noticed I could think in English more easily. I didn't just memorize words. I started feeling English, using it naturally. That's what we're doing here together. Now let's do a little exercise. I'll say a sentence. Repeat after me. I enjoy learning English every day. Again, feel it in your mouth, in your tongue. I enjoy learning English every day. Perfect. Don't rush. Pause if you need to. Listen. Feel the rhythm. English is like music. The more you feel it, the better it flows. Here's something to remember. Every single word you speak is a step forward. Every pause, every repeat, every little correction, it's progress, not failure. One more story for motivation. A friend of mine couldn't say a single sentence in English last year. She practiced every day for 15 minutes. Now she can tell her story, joke, and even give advice, all in English. All because she didn't give up, and neither will you. If you are trying, you are already winning. If you are speaking, you are already improving. If you are learning, you are already changing your future. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak now. Speak simply. Speak every day. English is not about difficult grammar. It is about everyday life. Real conversations, real moments, real confidence. Today, imagine your day in English. You wake up in the morning. Good morning. I need 5 more minutes. Okay, I'm awake. Today's going to be a good day. You go to the kitchen. I'm hungry. What should I eat? Maybe eggs and coffee? Yes, that sounds good. This coffee smells amazing. You check your phone. Any messages? Oh, I need to reply later. I'll do it after breakfast. Now imagine you are going to a restaurant. Hello, table for one, please. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have this, please. And a glass of water. The food arrives. This looks delicious. Thank you so much. Everything tastes great. You want to pay. Excuse me, can I get the bill? Do you accept card? Thank you. Have a nice day. Now imagine you are at a train station. Excuse me, where is platform 3? What time does the train leave? Is this seat taken? Thank you for your help. You sit and talk to someone. Where are you traveling? That sounds exciting. I hope you have a great trip. Later you meet a friend. Hey, how are you? Long time no see. What's new? Really? That's interesting. We should meet again soon. At a store. How much is this? Do you have another size? I'm just looking, thank you. I'll take it. At work or study? Let's start. I have an idea. Can you explain that again? Good job. We did it. When something goes wrong, it's okay. No problem. I'll try again. Mistakes help me learn. When something goes right, yes, I did it. That was great. I'm proud of myself. Evening thoughts. Today, I spoke English. Today, I tried. Tomorrow, I will be better. Remember, speak slowly, speak clearly, speak without fear. Real conversations are simple. How was your day? It was good. I learned something new. That's amazing. Keep going. English is not a test. English is a tool. English is your voice. Every sentence you speak builds confidence. Every mistake builds experience. Every day builds fluency. Say it again. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak. And the most important sentence, I will continue. Because progress happens daily. Small steps, real words, real situations. Keep speaking, keep trying, keep learning. Your English is growing right now.
Imagine you are at the airport. Your trip is about to begin. You look around, people are moving, announcements are playing. You walk to the counter and say, "Hello, I'm checking in. Here's my passport." The staff smiles. "Thank you. Have a nice flight." You breathe out slowly. Everything feels exciting. You ask politely, "Where's my gate? How much time do I have?" Then you sit and wait, watching planes outside. You say to yourself, "I'm really traveling, and I can speak English." A small moment, but a big confidence boost. You stand up, ready to board. "Excuse me, is this the right line?" "Yes, it is." You smile, feeling proud. Travel begins with simple words, and every word makes you braver. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for day 12. Together, we'll make English fun, real, and easy. See you soon, and remember, you are capable, you are brave, you are learning.